Brian DiMambro here. This large folding copper engraved map was issued in late 18th century in Holland. It is a Dutch version of a well-known and important Captain Cook voyage chart of the tracks of explorers in the Southern Hemisphere. It's noteworthy for the still partial, incomplete outline forms assigned to the continent of New Holland, Australia. We can see many tracks leading to and from the island of New Zealand. Different explorers' names and dates are seen around the map. This is South America here, and over here is South Africa and Madagascar. And this interesting Dutch Captain Cook map is currently available on my website, briandimambro.com. Subscribe. We're making videos every day, and I'll be back soon.